Okay, so this is an early model Whisperlite stove, and this one doesn't have a shaker. What happens a lot of times is the burnt fuel, you can see here it's all dark and stuff, gets clogged up in this, I don't know what this little thing is called, but in my other stove, Whisperlite stove, which is a newer model, there's a small shaker inside of here that shakes like this, and there's a little like pin like wire sticking up that shakes. Well, here there's just a little tiny hole here that the fuel comes through and burns, and this gets clogged up. And if you have the shaker model, you can take that little wire from the shaker and very carefully stick it in this hole to clean it out. Well, this doesn't have the shaker, so I couldn't clean it out. So what I did was took this out and I put it in this cup with a small amount of water, dropped it in there, and I just shook this cup back and forth, clink, 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 and broke it loose. Cleaned it right out. And let me tell you, it's a real bummer when these stoves clog up. And in this case, I was without the shaker to clean that tiny hole out. They make a tool, actually, in kind of a repair kit that it's the same little tiny wire, but on like this applicator you can clean it with. But last night I couldn't bring water to a boil. It may have taken an hour to bring water to a boil. That the fuel doesn't go up through the top like it's supposed to. It kind of goes off to the side, and there's just a real lame flame under there. So I'm real happy. It's the first time I've done that. Cascade Trekker backwoods Whisperlite stove repair.